Good morning, I'm Dave Lipson from the National Weather Service office here in Riverton, and here is the forecast for the upcoming week. This is a graphic depicting the amount of rainfall that occurred earlier this week across western and central Wyoming. Most areas received between a tenth to a quarter inch of rain, and a few areas even saw amounts close to an inch. Here is a graphic depicting the type of weather we're expecting over the next several days. Now, earlier this week we had widespread steady rainfall across much of the area. Now, this type of thunderstorm you see a picture of is what we're going to be expecting over the next few days, more widely scattered type thunderstorms. As a matter of fact, late this afternoon we're expecting isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms, mainly over the higher terrain later today. And on Friday we're expecting a slightly better chance of thunderstorms as a slightly more prominent upper level disturbance moves across the area and bisects what we call a surface lee-side trough. Saturday and Sunday we're expecting more of the same, some scattered thunderstorms late in the day, mainly over the higher terrain. A lot of these storms will be slow moving, so there could be a potential for local areas of heavy rainfall. Temperatures will increase gradually from now through the weekend, so that by Saturday and Sunday we could actually be looking at temperatures at or slightly above normal. Now, the weather early next week will get a little more interesting. We're going to be tracking a big slug of moisture that's going to be tracking from east to west across the southern desert southwest and northern Mexico before it turns and arcs to the right and moves north across Nevada, Utah, and into Idaho. And when this moisture arrives, it's going to come in the form of more widespread rainfall, not too unlike what we saw earlier this week. We're going to see numerous rain showers, a few thunderstorms embedded within those showers, and I think we're going to see a better chance of perhaps slightly more widespread heavy rainfall. We'll have to watch that. Now, these showers and cloudiness will cool our temperatures down again, and we're about to see a graphic that's going to depict the way the temperatures are going to rise and fall throughout the next week. You can see that from now through the weekend, the temperatures will gradually rise to slightly above normal before plummeting early next week, again not too unlike earlier this week, as a reflection of the additional showers and cloudiness we're expecting early next week, and then the temperatures will rise once again later next week. For the next 8 to 14 days, we're expecting slightly below normal temperatures over Wyoming and above normal precipitation. We've been monitoring 4 fires across the area the last several days: the Roan Creek Fire, the Swede, the Bang, and the Hyatt Fire. Many of these fires have received a wetting rain, which has decreased fire activity, and a couple of things are working in the fire's favor as far as decreased fire behavior over the next several days. We're expecting a continuation of light winds and also relative humidity levels above critical levels, and also, in addition to the wetting rains we had earlier this week, we're also expecting the potential for more rainfall on these fires during the upcoming week. So, again, not too the concerns about the upcoming fire activity is not too great, because we're not going to see the dry, windy weather we saw at times in the last couple of weeks. So thank you for watching and listening. Please call us anytime at 1-800-211-1448, or you can look us up at www.weather.gov/Riverton, and you can follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Have a good afternoon.